courses. For those who love to keep fit by running, we have workout records, we have heart rate monitoring, blood. Good day, this is smartwatchspecifications.com, the premier site for smartwatch specs, news, and reviews. This is our second video review for the unboxing of the Realme Watch 5, and we already paired it with its Realme Link application. So we have successfully paired it so we can check the offered features and menus here in the Realme Watch 5 smartwatch. So if you are interested to know more about the offered menus or features in the Realme Watch 5 smartwatch, watch this video. And again, if you find this video useful, like, share, and subscribe. Alright, so let's begin and explore the features available in the Realme Watch 5 smartwatch. So we have here the wearable. Let's take a look at the design first. If you want to know more about its specs, the design, you can check out our previous video. This one will focus on the offered menus and features. So let's check out the UI first. On top we have the settings here and other options. On the bottom part we have the message notifications. On the left side we have here a dashboard with, I think, popular or common apps. I don't know if you can edit this one. On the other side we have the widgets here, or the components. We have stress, heart rate, sleep monitoring, and activity tracking. To access the main menu, just press the power button here. I don't know if this is rotary. Yes, it is rotary. So we have here daily activity tracking. We have the Bluetooth phone call with the call history, favorite contacts, and keypad. I like the keypad here, as you can see, very big. We have Bluetooth walkie-talkie. I don't know how to use this one. I guess if you have another smartwatch, a Realme Watch 5, you can talk directly without the need to use your phone. We have NFC support. We have voice command, activity tracking, or sports functions. So it is loaded with a lot of sports functions here. So we have a lot of categories. We'll explore this on our next video. We have running courses. For those who love to keep fit by running. We have workout records. We have heart rate monitoring, blood oxygen monitoring. We have stress monitoring also, sleep monitoring, breathing guide, body energy, cycle tracking for women. We have ambient volume. That's nice. We have event reminder, alarm, stopwatch, timer, world clock. We have weather report, Bluetooth music control function with volume adjustment, and title. We have camera control. We also have here the compass, the calendar, the calculator, find phone. In the settings, we have a watch face section. We have always on display option, sound and vibration here with the volume adjustment. You can also set your own ringtone here for the calls as well as message ringtone. We have display and brightness, screen on time adjustment. Okay, we have until 20 seconds. Raise to wake option, double tap to wake, cover to sleep. We have menu view option. We have spatial surrounding. waterfall, list. What we have is the list. We have grid, we have do not disturb mode, auto detect, battery, then double press the button to configure. Okay, so this one, you can configure this one. Let us say we want the music control. Restart, power off, and reset. And about the watch, Realme Watch 5. Let's see. Double press. Okay, so we do have the music control. So you can configure this to open a certain application or feature. Again, here are the different menus and features. I'm going to use the crown button here. We have NFC, workout records, body energy here, cycle tracking, alarm, stopwatch, timer, weather report, music control, camera control. We also have here the calculator. So it is loaded with a lot of features, and there's also a built-in GPS. We're going to check on the packaging here. So we have a compass, independent GPS with 5G and SS, comprehensive and accurate sports and health monitoring. On the other side, we have the high definition Bluetooth call, independent Bluetooth intercom, so that is the walkie-talkie, and we have an AMOLED screen display for the watch face. Let's check it out. How to change this? Long press. So it is preloaded with several watch faces. I don't know if we do have a dynamic watch face. Let's go back to the first one. Let's see. Stop. Yes, we do have a dynamic watch face here. It is a shortcut to an application, and I guess you can also download additional watch face. Maybe there's an additional dynamic watch face for our Realme Watch 5 smartwatch. If you have any questions regarding this wearable, drop a comment below. Support our channel, like, share, and subscribe. Bye.